Here's the easiest way to download any video from any websites using Chrome browser without any extension. Just open the video that you want to download, and we have to play the video a little bit. So go ahead and play the video. And now to download the video, press Ctrl+Shift+I on your keyboard. And here we have to select elements. Once you selected elements, click this selection tool. Now go ahead and select the video just like this. So once you hover over on the video will select just like this. Now click on the video and come to this element section. Here we can see the video part, and under this video part we can see the source link. So this source link is this video link. So double click this source link and we can see the video link already selected. Now right click on the link and click on go to the link, and we can see the video is now downloading. Once the video downloaded, go to your file explorer, go to download folder, and here you will find the video in HD quality. So that's how you can actually download any video from Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.